Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Apple gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type in apple.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Apple website. Now before you look for redeeming your gift card, just click on the account icon at the top right corner, and if you see a sign in button, that means you haven't logged into your Apple ID yet. So click on this button and log in using your credentials. And now once you have been logged into your account, click on the search button at the top right corner. Now within the search box, just type in gift card and then click on Apple gift card from the suggested link. You will now be taken into the gift card shop page. Now from this page, you can either buy a gift card that you wish, or you can check your balance within your gift card. In order to redeem any gift card, click on the redeem button. After you click on the redeem button, you will be taken to the redeem page. Within this page, you will be able to type in your redeem code for your gift card. So after typing in your redeem code, simply click on the redeem button and continue forth, and your gift card will be redeemed into your Apple account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your Apple gift card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.